just take it. There's no reason we should waste it. Oh, oh, oh. There's no mistaking when the sunlight's calling. Ready now for all that's coming. Oh, oh, oh. We're standing at the edge.
Sobrang exciting, di ba? Kaya maximize natin to, no? Travel natin. Again, Vietnam, no? Nitong tour na to, tutulungan ka kumita ng million kay privacy. I-motivate natin lahat ng prospect mo pagbalik natin. I-motivate natin lahat ng downline mo pagbalik natin. I-motivate natin yung mga ayaw pa sumali sa'yo. Kaya kapatid, totoo yung sinasabi nga, the best is yet to come. Kaya let's enjoy Vietnam, no? Palakpakan natin, Panginoon. Thank you, Lord.
We hold defines us. Oh, oh, oh. Together we can face tomorrow and every single day that follows. Oh, oh, oh. We're standing at the edge of all that lies ahead. I think we got it, the life we wanted. It feels like everything is going our way. I think we made it after all the waiting. It feels like everything is going our way.
Paganda ng paganda tong privacy. In short, padali to ng padali. Kasi dumadami yung tool natin eh. More than the enjoyment, more than the food, the breathtaking scene, the view, etc. Ino-compose natin to para dumali yung negosyo mo. Oh, di ba? Kumita na sila, may libre pa silang travel kay privacy.
We got it, the life we wanted. It feels like